Self-driving smashes, crazy close calls, sketchy scammers, and convenient cops. Every episode of Wham Bam Teslacam brings you 20 fresh Teslacam videos, so buckle up. This subscriber was headed home through the mountains of Lincoln Crest, a stretch of road in California notorious for racing drivers. Traffic was fairly heavy at the time, and the footage from our subscriber's rear Teslacam reveals that some drivers were getting impatient. One particular Toyota driver began tailgating our subscriber's Tesla after approaching rapidly from behind, almost like he was trying to force him to speed up. All of a sudden, the Toyota driver started overtaking him on a blind curve before nearly colliding with an oncoming vehicle. Our subscriber's attempt to warn the driver by flashing his lights didn't help. The Toyota driver accelerated again to pass on another blind curve, but this time things went terribly wrong. Gee, who could have seen that coming other than absolutely everyone? This is easily one of the most reckless drivers we've ever seen on Wham Bam Teslacam. After initially appearing to flee the scene, the Toyota driver eventually pulled over. Then again, maybe they didn't have a choice. Our subscriber told us there wasn't any cell reception in this area, so he continued and picked up his kids before heading back to the scene. By the time he returned, the wreckage was cleared and the victim was gone. He's hopeful they'll see the footage of their collision here on Wham Bam, and maybe it'll be useful for their insurance claim. This subscriber was driving his Model Y one Sunday, taking his son home from church in Totowa, New Jersey. He was driving slowly through the snow in an effort to get home safely. At first, he wondered why the headlights behind him seemed to be approaching so fast, and then it hit him. An Infiniti driver rear-ended our subscriber's Tesla, losing control before driving into the median. Our subscriber's Model Y automatically notified first responders. Thankfully, nobody involved was seriously injured. He was able to file an insurance claim while still at the scene, and his Tesla was declared a total loss. He said his son Ethan is a huge fan of Wham Bam. We're glad you're both okay. Sarge sent us this footage that's going to get your blood boiling, but that's nothing compared to what the passengers of this bus must have felt. His wife was on her way home from work when she encountered a bus driver with an ego bigger than her vehicle. As she attempted to overtake the bus, the driver kept speeding up to block her from merging into the lane, even though she needed to turn left up ahead. Once a gap appeared, Sarge's wife used the Tesla's instant torque to easily get ahead of the bus, but that really triggered the driver, who was gesturing wildly after she flew past. The bus driver then made a quick merge to pass Sarge's wife in the right lane. But as she drove by, she was staring at the Tesla and failed to notice that the Toyota ahead of her had come to a complete stop. Thankfully, nobody involved was injured in the collision. Sarge told us he called the Niagara Regional Police and offered them this footage, but they wanted absolutely nothing to do with it. In fact, they categorically refused to even look at it. Sarge wanted to shout out his kids Colin and Madison, who both love watching Wham Bam videos. Moose was driving his Model Y in Texas. As he approached an intersection, he suddenly heard a loud bang before seeing debris scattered and smoke rising. An SUV driver had run a red light before getting T-boned by a pickup truck pulling a trailer. Moose stopped after the SUV blocked his path while trying to turn around in the intersection. Just then, a police officer who'd witnessed the collision walked into the intersection. Moose continued once he saw the police had the situation under control. He told us he owned a Lucid Air before getting his Model Y Performance, and having built-in 360-degree dash cams is a game changer. This subscriber was driving his Model 3 in Toledo, Ohio. As he calmly approached his destination, he sensed that something bad was about to happen. As he came to a stop, he noticed a Volkswagen Jetta on the left sticking out into traffic. The road was pretty slick after the snowy weather as the VW driver pulled into the road, failing to yield to an approaching Dodge. Our subscriber quickly saved the Teslacam footage before checking to make sure that everyone involved was okay. As he turned around, he spotted a Toledo Fire and Rescue unit that had happened to pull up right behind him. Evidently, the firefighters had witnessed the collision and contacted the police department. When officers arrived, our subscriber shared his Teslacam footage with them, leaving no question about who was at fault. Steven was headed home from work in his Model 3 when a driver up ahead of him suddenly slammed on their brakes. It looks like the driver of an SUV hit the brakes at the last second in an attempt to make a turn, but the driver of the utility truck behind it wasn't able to stop. Steven stopped to offer the involved drivers his Teslacam footage, but when he saw them exchanging information, he determined it probably wasn't needed. He told us his daughters, who were with him at the time, will be excited to see his first submission getting featured on Wham Bam Teslacam. Christopher was sitting in his Model S, waiting for an Italian sub in a drive-thru, when his boring wait gave way to a memorable moment. Suddenly, the driver of a pickup truck pulled away from an intersection, hitting the throttle and, to nobody's surprise, completely losing control on the wet road surface. Even though the pickup driver tried to correct his steering, he wasn't able to regain control before slamming into a pole. He then immediately drove off, likely embarrassed by his failed mating display. Even though the truck survived, we're guessing the driver's ego was totaled. When John bought a salvaged Model 3, he was excited to review the Teslacam footage to see how the Tesla had been wrecked. After finally taking delivery, he discovered this footage of a collision involving not 3, not 5, but 4 vehicles. As the Tesla slowed down for traffic ahead, the driver following behind it failed to do so. The BMW rear-ended the Tesla, shoving it forward and into a Volvo. That Volvo rolled into another vehicle, making it a 4-vehicle collision. When John showed this footage to his buddy, he immediately told him that he needed to send it to Wham Bam Teslacam. They can't figure out why the Tesla was deemed totaled. They were able to replace both bumpers and put it back on the road. That sounds like a win to me. Barbara was on her way to visit her son in the hospital, circling the parking lot in rainy weather in search of a free spot. She was delighted when she noticed a nearby space opening up on the left, until she realized that another spot on the other side of the aisle was also opening up at the same moment. The result was a perfect 50-50 responsibility collision, a mirror image rear-end collision. The drivers of the two SUVs both appeared baffled by what had happened as they got out to talk to each other. Barbara walked over and offered her Teslacam footage after finding another parking space. They both told her their backup sensors had failed to warn them and the rain had made it impossible to see out of their backup cameras. Bao experienced 2 crazy events in as many minutes. Let's take a look. He was waiting in his Model Y at a red light when he watched a Model 3 driver make an illegal left turn right in front of a police car. The turn lane the Tesla driver had used was closed for construction, and when the officer spotted the scofflaw, he immediately turned on the party lights and pulled them over. 2 minutes later, Bao's heart skipped a beat as he approached an intersection with a green light. As he proceeded through the intersection, he was almost T-boned by a red light runner. What a crazy day of driving for Bao. What makes this situation even more ironic was the fact that he just remarked to his friends about how empty the roads were as he was getting ready to leave the movie theater. Jason was driving his Model Y when he noticed a cool pickup truck, but the driver wasn't so cool. The driver of a Chevy pickup tried to show off by accelerating through an intersection, but the front heavy vehicle lost control before veering into oncoming lanes. As it drifted into the path of an SUV, the driver slammed on their brakes to avoid a collision before the pickup driver swerved back to the other side of the road. Jason continued on, realizing that if he'd been just 5 seconds faster, his Tesla would have been struck by the out-of-control pickup. Head on a swivel, Jason. Jared was driving his Model 3 behind a white SUV in Colorado. As he approached an intersection with a red light, both drivers had started to slow down. When the light turned green, they continued rolling forward. Suddenly, the rider of an e-bike flew through their red light, nearly getting hit by the white SUV. That was too close for comfort. Richie had just dropped his sister off at school. As he turned back onto the street in his Model Y, he had a feeling something bad was about to happen. He didn't know what it was, but when he glanced in his rearview mirror, he caught a glimpse of a pickup truck approaching him quickly with no sign of slowing down. He swerved to the side to avoid being rear-ended just in time for the pickup to blast past him before smashing into 3 other vehicles. Richie kept going, but he told us he later found out the driver of the pickup ended up getting arrested. He didn't say why, but we have our theories. What's yours? This subscriber was on her way home in her Model Y during heavy snowfall, the kind of snow she said would be perfect for Christmas. Hold that thought. When she tried to make a right turn, her tires lost all traction and her Tesla kept going straight ahead instead. The car sounded audible warnings, but just before she hit the curb, the tires regained traction and she was able to turn. Phew, that was too close. She sent us this message along with her footage. "Thank you from the bottom of my heart for what you do. You turn everyday moments into something truly special and unforgettable for me. Aw, thanks." Ray was driving his Model Y in Lake Forest, California one evening when he spotted $4 million on the road. If you didn't get that, these 2 cars are a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ and a Koenigsegg Regera. Together, their values add up to over $4 million, and either one can be smoked in the quarter mile by a Model S Plaid for only $100K. Still, we're sure the car guys out there must find this pretty cool. Is anyone watching a fan of all cars, or do only Teslas spark your interest? Let us know in the comments. Rudra was leaving a robotics meeting in his Model Y, giving a friend a ride home. Just as he was about to drop off his friend, the distracted driver of an oncoming minivan crossed the center line before swerving back at the last possible second. Rudra kept going, and he said they were able to laugh about it later. I think we've found at least one driver who'd be better off with a robot in control of their vehicle. When self-driving cars are finally the norm, it won't be a day too soon. Andrew's Tesla was parked in a commuter lot in New York when Sentry mode captured this footage. When the driver of an Infiniti Q50 made a U-turn, they collided with Andrew's Tesla before speeding away. Andrew told us he tried to get the security cam footage from the county, but it wasn't helpful in determining the identity of the Infiniti driver. If anyone recognizes the vehicle or knows who was driving it, reach out to us and we'll pass the information along. Let's hold them responsible for this hit and run. Junior sent us 2 Teslacam videos. In this first one, he just bought burgers from a fast food restaurant when he encountered drivers who were driving below the speed limit of 40 miles per hour. As he accelerated to pass them, the driver of a Toyota suddenly merged into his path. Junior told us he slammed on his brakes so hard, his fresh burgers were nearly sent all over the floor. You may want to sit down for his second video because it gets crazy. He was leaving a large retail store in Houston, Texas one extremely hot day. Since he'd parked his Tesla far away in the parking lot, he decided to use the summon feature to bring the car to him. While it was about halfway to him, the Tesla was continuing past a stop sign when it ran into another car head-on. Junior accepted fault for the collision immediately since he'd been responsible for watching the live video feeds from the car and intervening if it started to do anything unsafe. Fixing the damage to his Tesla cost around $6,000. He later got a notice by mail that the other driver's insurance claim had been resolved, but the story was far from over. A full 6 months later, he was served a lawsuit by the other driver, who claimed that he owed them additional compensation for their medical expenses, physical pain, mental anguish, disfigurement, impairment, and loss of earning capacity. The lawsuit is ongoing, so we'll hold our opinions for now, but we wouldn't be surprised if more people try to take advantage of autonomous driving collisions in the future. What do you think of this person's claims? This subscriber was driving his Model Y with a sedan following behind him. When he initiated a lane change, the driver of an SUV ahead of him came to a stop, leaving him stuck between lanes, turn signals still active. When the SUV finally started to move, our subscriber tried to change lanes, but that's when a passing truck driver clipped our subscriber's Tesla, pushing it into the back of the SUV. When police responded and watched the Teslacam footage, they said this case was a tricky one and they couldn't agree on who was responsible. What do you think? Let us know your verdict in the comments. Scott was stopped for a red light in his Model 3 when he noticed another driver running the red light. He didn't realize it at first, but that wouldn't be the last driver to run the red. When his light turned green and he started across the intersection, his Tesla suddenly applied the emergency brakes. That's when he watched another car flash in front of him. It never even slowed down before getting right back on the highway. Scott stopped to check for damage, but he only found one small mark that he was able to buff out. Looks like everything turned out okay, but who knows what will happen in next week's episode. If you can't wait that long, check out this episode that's packed full of Teslas saving their owners from crashes and close calls alike. Subscribe before you go, and we'll see you again next Sunday.